Hello and welcome back to Mika Join Academy. Today we're gonna draw Deadpool. So let's get started. Let's go first with the head. Start from the center with a circular line going at the top and to a side. Then from the bottom, another circular shape going up but leaving a gap to complete it in a tip. Now let's go with the mask. Draw a shape with some edges in each side. Like so. Now let's draw the eyes. Draw a straight line and then a circular one. Now let's go with the arms. Draw a straight line, a second one, and at the side draw some lines to create the glove. Let's go with the thumb and the hand open and 3 fingers. Now let's go with the other arm. Straight line, a second one, draw the glove, and then the hand. Do the thumb and 3 fingers. Now at the center, draw a circle and another one, although leaving a gap at the center, because there will be our Deadpool symbol. Now let's go with a belt. Draw some horizontal lines, then some pockets in the side. Finish the other side. It could be with different shapes. Now let's go with the legs. Start from one point in the belt, going to the side and then down. Sharp edge for the knee, then going back again, small line at the center, and then do 1 foot at the back. Complete the line. Now the second leg with a foot pointing towards the front. Trim the legs with 2 lines. And finish the gap. Add some extra lines with sharp edges to the suit Now let's go with the swords. From the back, draw a rectangular shape, the tip in a square shape, now draw diagonal lines crossing each other to create the design of the handle. Repeat the same process in the other side. And finally, trim the arms. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!